This is flood. Total flooded after today's downpour. The whole street is flooded. The whole gutter drainage blocked. That's the usual thing that always happens whenever it rains heavily. Today's rain have been falling from I think about 8 in the morning till 12 midday. Such a heavy rain. Look at everywhere. Look at the water level. All the gutters have been submerged. Everywhere have been submerged with water. I'm not able to get into this dirty water at this moment. I'm just coming out of my house. The other streets have also been submerged with water. Water everywhere. Look at the cars. Everything submerged with water. So sad. Whenever it rains, this place is the epitome of River Niger and River Benue. No one edit the video. Can you just imagine the water level so high? Well, thank you very much. This is what we experience in this area in Surulere. Always. Just don't know why the drainage is very bad and the government here are not doing anything about it.